بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to Utilitarian TV. In this video, I'll be talking about the part 3 of section 2, which is Arji Sakin and Tashdid. If you are here to learn, kindly subscribe to this channel, click the like button, share this video, and also remember to turn on the notification bell in order for you not to miss the next video. So let's get started. Utilitarian TV. Arji Sakin is a sakin which is imagined. When you recite the Qur'an, you may need to take a breath and stop in any word of an ayah, or maybe you are stopping at the end of an ayah. Even if you don't see any sakin on the last letter, you may have to replace any sign the letter has with an imagined sakin. Let's take a look at these two examples. Al-Kitabu. By replacing Dhamma with an imagined sakin, we have Al-Kitab, Al-Kitab. Then the second example, we have Maliki. Replacing the Kesra with an imagined sakin, we have Malik, Malik. This rule doesn't apply on double Fataha. If the last letter where you are stopping has double Fataha, then elongate the sound a little and stop. For example, instead of saying Musaddiqan, you now say Musaddiqa, or Hudan, you say Huda. This rule also doesn't apply if the last letter has an alif. If the last letter has alif, then elongate the sound a little. For example, Tahtiha. Let's take a look at more examples using the imagined sakin. Khalaq, Malik, Absar, Allah, Khalidun, Sadiqin. Now let's talk about the Tashdid. This sign is called Tashdid. It makes the sound of one letter double. The first letter has sakin. Let's take for example Ba. With Ba sakin, we give Ba. It sounds like adding pressure to the pronunciation. Ba. Another example is Mim Doma. With Mim sakin, we give Mu, Mu, adding pressure with the pronunciation. Examples: Ar-Rahim. The tashdid here is Ra Shadda Fataha Ra. Inna Allah. The tashdid here are two. We have Nun Shadda Fataha Na and Lam Shadda Fataha. As-Sufa'a. The tashdid here is Sin Shadda Doma Su. If you see Fataha under the tashdid, then it is not actually a Fataha but a Kasra. For example, Inna with Inni. If the letter before tashdid doesn't have any sign, either Fataha, Kasra or Dhamma, then that letter will be ignored. For example, Ar-Rahim. The lam is ignored. And also, if the letter before tashdid has sakin, that letter will be ignored. For example, Lakilla. Non-sakin is ignored. Bihim maradun. Mim sakin is also ignored. If you find tashdid in the beginning of a sentence, that tashdid will be ignored. Also, double Fataha, double Kesra, and double Dhamma will act like single Fataha, single Kesra, and single Dhamma if it has tashdid after it, and it will join itself with the tashdid. For instance, in this word Mata'allakum, as for the mim which has tashdid in the beginning, so tashdid will be ignored. It will now be mim fataha ma. So for the ain with double fataha, but there is a tashdid on the next letter, So double fataha will sound like single fataha. Ain fatahateni a, lam shadda fataha la, alla, mata'an lakum. More examples: ab, amma, amanna, alladhi, inna alladhi, Allahu. This is the end of section 2 of this video. In my next video, I'll be talking about the section 3, which is all about mad. So don't miss it. The link is in the description below. If you have found this video very useful, kindly click the like button, share this video, and also drop your comment in case if you have any question. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in my next video. Goodbye.